Good morning, students. I welcome to all of you in a new month. That is the month of September. September first. Today is 1st of September. And the spelling of September: September. September. September is the ninth month of the year. September is the ninth month of the year, and the day is Tuesday. Spelling Tuesday, day, Tuesday. And I would welcome you in your English class. Today's English class is with the O sound words. But before we start that, let's see the sight word. Sight word is with. With. I live with my family. I live with my family. I went to the market with my father. I went to the market with my father. I played with my friend. With. Okay? Spelling W-I-T-H, with. And students, today's English class is O sound words. Which O sound words? These are ob, ox, ow, oi. How you will read these words? We need to add one more consonant here, and after adding that, it makes a new word. O says O. O says O. A says A. A says A. E says A. E says A. O says O. So see, ob, ob. Ox, ox, ow, oil. How to write these sound words? You should take out your English workbook and start writing with me at the page number 61. 61 and 62. We'll do both the pages. So let's start the work. And now it's time for you to do the written work. Let's start from page number 61. Before we start our written work, you write the date here. Today is 1st of September. 1st of September. And September is the 9th month of the year. 9th month of the year 2020. So we'll be starting with O sound ob words. O sound ob words. First one is K O B cob. Let's start writing K O B cob. K O B cob. Job, job. Job, job. Again, job, job. Sob, sob. Sob, sob. Sob, sob. Now O sound ox words. Ox. O, x, ox. Ox, ox. B, ox, box. B, ox, box. B, ox, box. F, ox, fox. F, ox, fox. F, ox, fox. Now open your book at page number 62. Here O sound, ow words. O sound, ow words. K, ow, cow. C, K, O, W, cow. K, ow, cow. O and W says ow. H, ow, how. H, ow, how. H, ow, how. N, ow, now. N, O, W, ow. N, ow, now. N, ow, now. Cow, how, now. And now ow, O sound, oi words. B, oi, boy. B, O, y, boy. B, y, boy. J, y, joy. Joy, joy. And T, Y, twy. Toy, toy. Cow, how, now. Boy, joy, toy. Okay, students, when you will be writing, you should speak. Okay, speak and then write. Bye.